we as humans, we give off energy. Okay, we're all energy. And the thing is, like, when you hold somebody's hand, like you hold your daughter's hand and you hold your wife's hand, you're holding the other person's pulse. You can feel the other person's hand and the warmth and the energy from that person, right? But then when two people, three people, and 10 people, they're all having the same thought, the same vision, the same idea, the same concept, the same force, the same belief, the same asking, then the universe opens up like crazy. I mean, it's powerful, but people don't do it. They're scared to hold each other's hands. You know, it's crazy. But simple things like that, those things work. Simple things. But I want to start using these practices into the video because mindset is very important. Okay, so you can't have money, you can't have really health if you don't have your mindset and your attitude. Your attitude is very important. Your mindset is very important. Okay, the belief, the words you think, the words you speak, right? What you think is what you create, right? So what you think is what you create. What you speak is what you create. So if you're very careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts create your money, your thoughts create your happiness, your thoughts create your sunshine, your thoughts creates health. So long as you have good, positive energy, force thoughts, you're going to move the right direction. Your heart's going to move the right direction. Your attitude, your mind. And that's when things are going to happen because you're going to attract. You become like a magnet, and then you're walking down the road, you meet your friend, or you meet somebody that says, hey man, I've been thinking about you. I haven't talked to you in a while. So this stuff happens.